If you came into my office and you told me that you were here for a divorce, I would ask you, what are the issues? And by that I mean, do you own stuff? Did you own stuff before you got married? Do you have debt? Do you have children? And when people come to see me for a divorce, normally they are very nervous. And I've been doing this since June of 1992. Going to divorce court for me is as common as going to a grocery store, but that doesn't mean that I don't understand the severity of the situation, nor does that mean that you're just another number to me. I understand that you're in crisis mode, that you're hurting emotionally, you may be hurting financially. One party may have taken all the funds away from the other party. You may be homeless, and you're confused, and you don't know what the future is going to bring. No one ever gets married thinking, well, if this doesn't work out, I'm going to get divorced. And so when someone comes in to me and says, Jackie, I want a divorce, at first I try to get some background and figure out what's going on. And Missouri is a no-fault state, so you don't have to have a reason to get divorced. But typically in the first interview, I find out if there's girlfriends and boyfriends involved, and it's a time for me to see if we're a good fit for one another. Because again, if you don't trust me to be looking out for the best interest of you in all your issues, then you need to go find another lawyer. And I tell people that all the time. I'm not everybody's cup of tea. I'm a real redhead who I will tell you the flossy truth. I will tell you when you're doing stuff that's hurting your case. I will tell you when you're doing the right thing. And when it comes to custody, I do not know of anything. You can make more money, you can buy more things, but you can never get time back with those children. And where the children grow up and how you and your ex interact with one another really does affect how they turn out as humans. And my job here is not to have wars and have victories, and so I can say, oh, I've only lost so many cases in so many years, and then have a bunch of destroyed children. My job here is to help people. And when you're in crisis mode and you come to this law office, we get to know one another. And if it does turn into an ugly case, or it turns into a case that drags out for a while and then settles, we get to know one another, and you get to know my philosophy about life. And I try to take the emotion away and apply the facts to the law so that you get the best benefit if we do have to go to trial.